What's up guys and welcome back to Wall Street Millennial. Today we're going to go over some of the biggest gains and losses on options trades from the Wallstreetbets forum over the past week. This way we can learn from the experiences of our fellow options traders. First off, we have user Sky High Tesla who lost 99.88% or $14,550 this year, leaving him with just $17 left in his account. He lost most of his money doing weekly YOLOs on SPY options. In all, he made more than 100 FDs. Despite his epic fail, he still considers himself an intelligent investor and uses his Robinhood losses as inspiration to recapitalize his account and make more YOLOs. If he lost $14,000 in any other way, he would be devastated, but because it was on Robinhood, he says it doesn't feel like a real loss. In this way, Robinhood acts very much like a casino where users are willing to pump endless amounts of money into the app, despite however much they lost. And to make matters worse, user Sky High Tesla is not a bourgeoisie with unlimited money to lose. He is instead just a Doordash driver who makes $15 of compensation for 5 hours of work. At this rate of pay, it will take him more than 4,000 hours to make back his $14,000 loss. The meager pay that Doordash drivers receive is compounded by the fact that up until recently, Doordash stole the drivers' tips. So when you tipped the Doordash driver, that money was actually going straight to the company. They only stopped this sickening practice after it was exposed and they had to pay a $2.5 million settlement for this egregious robbery. The Doordash exploitation model is great for investors and executives, with Doordash stock soaring more than 90% on the day of their IPO. This has pushed founder and CEO Tony Hsu's net worth above $3 billion. But even with this windfall of wealth, he has no plans of easing the exploitation of Doordash drivers. It has recently been reported that Doordash executives refer to Doordash drivers as Jans in a derogatory manner. And every time there is a negative economic news, such as increasing unemployment, they salivate as more Jans will be forced to become Doordash drivers as they have no other employment opportunities. So it's a really tough time for our friend Sky High Tesla, who not only lost his life savings of $14,000, but also is oppressed as a Doordash driver. We wish you luck, Sky High Tesla. Next off, we have user Lost Power, who lost $25,000 or a staggering 93% of his portfolio over the past couple months. He started trading options in March and initially made $7,000 on a successful YOLO. But his luck soon turned against him and he started rapidly losing all of his money. Despite his loss, he plans to recapitalize his account and attempt to make a comeback in 2021, resolving to not give up until his account reaches $0. His main strategy was credit spread options positions. A call credit spread is a strategy where you buy and sell a call option with the one you sell having a lower strike price. Because of this, the one you sell has a higher premium, and you are actually paid a net premium for initiating the position. If the stock stays below the strike price, you keep that premium as a profit, but if it increases above that, you make a loss equal to the premium minus the difference in strike prices. While this strategy does mitigate risk compared to just selling naked calls, it is still possible to lose a lot of money if you make repeated losses, which is exactly what user Lost Power did. He blames his losses on lack of experience and laments the fact that he did not first start out by doing paper trades. But he feels that now he has finally gotten the hang of credit spreads. He takes comfort in the fact that he has had a few successful trades, and with prudent risk management such as stop-loss orders, he believes he should be able to build back his account over time. We wish you luck. Next up, we have a gain by user CJ*1234. Last week, he made more than 150%, or almost $10,000 from a base of only $6,000 by day trading Tesla calls on Webull. You might be wondering how he day traded with less than the minimum $25,000 equity requirement for pattern day traders, but this is because he took advantage of a feature on Webull that allows you to reset your pattern day trader status. With this loophole, if you make 3 pattern day trades within a 5-day rolling window without the $25,000 equity requirement, Webull allows you to deposit the cash into your account to bring up the equity to $25,000. However, it also allows you to reset the restriction if you are unable to come up with that $25,000. This reset lets you continue day trading like nothing had happened. However, you can only use this once every 90 days. Using this loophole, this Robinhood user day traded Tesla calls of various strike prices, always selling at the end of the day. Tesla stock was not up very much this week, but there were ups and downs, which means that day trading had more potential than buy and hold investing to make money. Luckily, this Robinhood user cashed out after he made his gains, which, as other users pointed out, is often the best play you can make when you're up that much. Next, we have user Lazy Introduction 467. This trader has an epic comeback story, having recently been down 75% on his portfolio, or $38,000. However, thanks to recent plays on what he says are undervalued long-term options on BP, he was able to make up these losses and more. He is currently up $52,000 from the trough, or 400%. BP, one of the world's biggest oil companies, has been hammered by the pandemic. At its lowest, BP stock was down 60% when the pandemic first hit. However, in the past couple months, BP has rallied majorly, up almost 50%. For those with the guts to take the volatility and buy long-term options, this has been a big money-making opportunity. At the time of recording of this video, the 2-year out calls on BP were very cheap. The at-the-money call had a break-even price of only 16.6% above the current stock price, which is very low considering the expiry is not for more than 2 years. However, BP will have a hard time recovering economically, which may explain why options markets are not discounting massive gains in the future. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. If you like this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any recent gains or losses, let us know in the comments section below. As always, we thank you for your support. Wall Street Millennial, signing out.